Meaning of full-blooded.
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 Full-blooded. The term full-blooded usually refers to someone or something that is characterized by a strong and intense nature. It suggests purity, vigor, and vitality. When used to describe a person, it typically means that they are of pure racial or ethnic ancestry. This term can also be used to describe animals, artwork, or other things that possess a strong and dynamic quality. Overall, the term full-blooded conveys a sense of intensity and richness, indicating a strong and powerful presence that is hard to ignore.